Summer is in full swing here at Fannie Lou High School at their annual block party. We got dunk tanks, bracelet making, all of your favorite carnival foods. We even have the mascot here. And the best part, it's all in the name of unity. For 14 years, the Fannie Lou High School and student government have put on their Unity Block Party in an effort to bring awareness to gun violence and diminish the division.
To show the community that we can come together, we can spread awareness and have fun as well. So I think every time we do this, it's always just so fulfilling.
Students mention that after a long and sometimes difficult year, there is no better way to unwind and have some fun in an environment that's nothing but positive. Not only do they get some time in the sun, but they also get to sit down with Fannie Lou alumni for insightful discussions.
They feel inspired. At the same time, once they come back outside, they're also able to be together with all of them and just feel that sense of community once more.
The two Fannie Lou seniors we spoke to say events like these have helped shape and prepare them for their college careers.
I worked so hard during my high school experience, and with the incredible help from my school, I feel like I wouldn't be in this predicament.
One of the main things that Fannie Lou teaches you is how to become a leader and how to become a leader of your own community.
In fact, both students have raked in about $1 million in scholarships and plan to attend the college of their choice in the fall.
We're breaking barriers.
As the school year comes to an end, the school staff wishes that today was just a taste into the students' safe, happy, and healthy summer. Reporting for BronxNet, Brittany Schuyler.